Does your TV shut off suddenly after a few minutes? Or feel too hot to touch near the back? Don't worry, it's not dying yet. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix overheating problems in any LED, LCD, or smart TV, and make it run cool again. Step 1. Identify overheating signs. Before we fix anything, we need to confirm that overheating is the real issue. So, how do you know your TV is getting too hot? Here are the common signs. First, your TV might suddenly turn off after running for some time, even though the power is fine. Second, you might feel unusually hot air coming out from the back vents. Third, you may notice the screen flickering, fading, or showing distorted colors after long hours of watching. And lastly, when you try to turn it back on immediately, it won't power up until it cools down. Step 2. Check ventilation and placement. One of the most common reasons for overheating is poor airflow. Your TV, just like a computer, needs to breathe. If it's placed too close to a wall or trapped inside a closed cabinet, the hot air has nowhere to escape. Make sure your TV has at least 4 to 6 inches of open space behind it, and the sides are not covered by curtains or furniture. Avoid placing it near windows where direct sunlight hits it, or near heat sources like stoves or heaters. Step 3. Clean the dust and vents. Dust is the silent killer of electronics. It blocks airflow, clogs vents, and traps heat inside the TV. Before cleaning, turn off and unplug your TV completely. Safety first. Use a soft brush, microfiber cloth, or compressed air blower to gently remove dust from the back panel, air vents, and speaker grills. Focus especially on the lower and side vents, since that's where the most dust builds up. Never use a wet cloth or spray water directly into the vents. Moisture can damage sensitive components. Step 4. Reduce brightness and performance load. If your TV is still running hot, it may be overworking itself. The screen brightness and processing power generate heat, so lowering these settings can make a big difference. Go into your TV's picture settings and reduce the backlight and brightness to around 50 to 60%. If your TV supports HDR mode, turn it off when not needed. HDR consumes more power and increases heat output. If this helped, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons, and comment below.